Hello friends, welcome to my channel Home and Rich by Neelu, and this is Neelima. So friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and do comment in the comment section below. Today I am making a greeting card, especially a 3D greeting card. I made it for the Valentine's Day especially, but you can even gift it on anniversaries, birthday parties, and even since the new year coming, you can gift it on new year. First you are going to make 3D hearts for this. I am taking 3 different colors of craft paper, pink, purple and baby pink. The dimensions are given. First you have to prepare the hearts shapes with all of them. Now taking the 3 different colors, you have to glue them together in this particular pattern. Now you have to even them properly by cutting. Now the 3D heart is ready. I am taking the greeting card, especially making out of a chart paper of dimensions already given. You have to make a dotted lines with the help of a sketch pen. And the dotted lines are finished. Now you have to stick the 3D hearts onto the greeting card. It is a very simple greeting card and it will take hardly around 10 minutes to make, but the effect is really good and it is very easy also. You can choose any colors. I have used pink color as a base, but even you can use multicolor hearts to make it different. See how beautiful they look when you stick them onto the greeting card. Quite amazing effect with a simple technique. So thank you friends, thanks for watching. Hope you liked my tutorial and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you friends, thanks for watching.